The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Excuse me. It's alright, Dan, you're alright, don't worry. Wow. Oh my God.
Bring it round slowly towards your back. Please be careful. I'm going to be careful. Please. Bring your other hand towards me. Bring your other hand towards me.
He's just had an operation.
Careful, please. At the moment, you're just taking the search for fire. Okay, do what you're doing. Right. Roll your up onto your side.
Oh my God.
Right, he's secure. Right, bring your legs up.
Oh my God.
Yeah, go for it, mate. Right, I'm going to sit you up onto your bum now. Just your back shoulder. Sit you up onto your bum.
Go on, Dan, you're alright, Dan. You're alright, Dan.
Right. At the moment, listen.
Yeah, I got your phone.
Pointed out, it's potentially being involved in a robbery and fire.
No way.
Detained for a search for that, okay? Doesn't mean you've done an offence, it means someone convicted and pointed out to you. Might be a mistake.
My God, my God.
That's fine. Police are following up from the Street Police Station, alright? We're going to get you up to your feet, alright? Can everyone just step back and give us a
Yeah, I'm his mother-in-law. I'm going to stay right here. I'm his mother-in-law.
That's the way. That's the way. Come up on the front once you leave. Sorry? Gonna roll you up on
Yeah.
your knee. Okay? Onto your knee. Sit, stand up. Right, just walk up this way. It might be that person is pointing up totally the wrong person.
Absolutely.
Pointing up. I'm a black man. I'm a girl man. Convicted. Why are we doing this? This is so embarrassing. Because he has been robbed with a gun, has pointed you up. That's why we're stopping you. I didn't make you put you up. No one made you.
Wow. Daniel, just relax. Just relax, Dan.
Because I've been put on the floor, right? It's offensive. So I can say on the thing that putting you on the floor means that we don't have any other things, isn't it? It means no one hits you, no one hits you. But I've watched that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm explaining my colleagues and mine action. I'm just trying to give you.
Dan.
Make sure you have nothing to do with this. Yeah, okay, anything other than that though, anything from WhatsApp to today, I'll show you. I'm just going to keep that there because I need to every person I stop is giving me something. So I'm just stopping, just watch that person get shot on the floor.
Daniel, just calm down. Just calm down. Just come down for an MOT. This is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. It's alright, you're going to be alright. You're going to be alright, don't worry.
Yeah, I'm sure you've got the job down. It's, if it's as I think it is and it's not you, in a minute they'll be coming off.
Wow, my Lord. Wow, this is serious. Come all the way from South, all the way from Croydon to see this. This is outrageous. And here's my son-in-law being questioned and want to know if he's got firearms on him. Yeah, I'm his mother-in-law.
You know what I said the other day? I've never been arrested or put in handcuffs in my entire life. So this is the first.
Well,
it's probably the most polite as well. I know it's not nice having a gun with you, I appreciate that, or being dealt with in this manner. However, getting you on the floor means you don't have to. You punch, you kick, you kidnap. It means you're doing what we then just chill out when it shows up. It's nice and awareness. That's why we do that. Turn that around. All we're doing is speaking to the victim, saying to him, he did everything this right. Now he's had a block. I did a face that was thought. Rage. So there's potentially going to mix up there from the person saying it was you and it wasn't. However, I'm going to firm that up and we'll see
Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla, and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, I just presented a video to you that shows of a person that is laying on the ground face down while a police officer pointed a weapon at the person that is laying on the ground, right? And if you look in the video, you will see that that person is not the only person that was laying on the ground. There was other person further down in the video, if you look, you understand? And in my point of view, it seems as if the police officers, they are searching for someone or suspects or whatsoever, but it seems as if they're looking for a person. It may be more than one person. All right, if you listen carefully, you will hear where the police officer said that some form of robbery had happened, right? So in my point of view, it would seem as if that's why they're doing this form of search that is happening on the street there, you see me? And some people on social media call this video where it shows of the person laying face down on the ground with a weapon drawn at him. Some people call it police harassment, right? While some people say no, it is not. You see me? I mean, some people said something else different. And please bear in mind that I'm talking about more than one police officers. If you look at the video, you will see where one police officer was the one that had the gun pointing at the man while he was laying on the ground. And our other police officer is the one that handcuffed the man. All right, there is more police officers as well that was there on the scene. All right, so please bear that in mind. There's good and bad in everything right here where you see on the video. Me just show you a while ago. You see me? Because if you notice in the video, it mentioned that the person that you see on the ground, it is said that in the video it said that he had surgery. Or just had surgery, you see me? Now that part that has been mentioned about he just had surgery or the person just had surgery, right? That part, if it is true, is not something to be taken lightly, because you know a surgery is like this, viewers and subscribers. There might be stitches there depending on how long ago you do the surgery, and if you do any heavy lifting or anything that is too harsh on the body, the wound or the part that is stitched up, I should say, can tear open, you know what I mean? And not to mention that it's going to feel sore, so that person probably feeling somewhat pain, you know what I mean? But on one end of it, you have to look at it, you know. This police officer, as much as he did what he did, he wasn't disrespectful and he didn't move aggressive certain ways. You know, he took his time, he did what he did. And you have to really and truly give the respect to what the police officer did. You see me? Because sometimes they get orders where them have to really do. And remember now, when you're doing your job, you have to do your job according to the orders that you get, or else you're going to lose your job. See? So all them things they have to look at. Now, don't get me wrong, you know, viewers and subscribers. I am not defending persons that are doing anything wrong out there, whether they are police officers or not, you know. But I'm just pointing it out that at this video, when we see where there's a lot of negative comments about it, you see me, which I totally understand where some people are coming from, but at the same time, you have to look at it that at least this police officer was really and truly not that bad while doing his job. You know what I mean? He actually explained what is what, and he actually took his time and did what he did. He didn't hit the person or anything like that. So you have to give that thing, isn't it? Now, the part where me understand a lot of people is talking about is the fact that the man was on the ground. Yeah, that is the part where a lot of people seem to have a problem with, the fact that he was on the ground and the other police officer had a gun pointing at the person, right? Yeah, and this happened in the UK, viewers and subscribers. Yes, I say, yeah, this thing happened in the UK. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. I just presented a video to you that shows of a police officer pointing a gun at a person while he was lying down, face down on the ground. And some people on social media call it police harassment, and some people on social media call it something different. Alright, so is it police harassment or is it not? Alright, let me know what you think about something like this. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, there to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, me know. Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Detained.